Most of the time it's just open ocean. There's something about the rocking of the boats, the lack of distractions. It can be quite calming sometimes, surprisingly so even, given the high pressure nature of the environment and of the work itself.
Okay, you're going to go to the yoga or master?
The majority has to happen onshore beforehand. The focus of all your prep work is to identify any risks. It's not what you don't know that hurts you, typically it's what you think you know. This thing that you've been working on for a year and a half, and longer sometimes even. The teams are large, all the subcontractors you can think of, so we kind of package it all together and then go offshore and make it happen.
After the first experience offshore, I decided it was the right place for me to get to see in real life what you have been working with for the last few months. And you're following up, making sure everything is done according to what you have planned.
The shackles we added for extra.
Yeah, CJ.
It's big structures, and your job beforehand is to make it as simple as possible. You spend your time 12 hours on shift and 12 hours off, but you're still in the same place, surrounded by the same people. Now I find that time goes quite fast.
So you either need to chuck your overalls on, go out on deck and see to something, or you're on a computer and organise something, paperwork or whatever it is you need to be done. And then as you go through the day, your presentations, briefing the team, ensure continuity throughout the whole different departments. Survive on coffee, keep going, lunch, keep going, and then that's it, you get off shift, you hand over to the same person you saw in the morning.
It involves a big responsibility, I would say. You need to be sure about the decisions you make.
If we're waiting for a big lift, you don't necessarily know how long that's going to take. We have to install that in a precise location, plus or minus 2.5 meters. We use positioning systems to ensure that we determine that location of it. Guys are on deck removing lashings off the structures.
You actually get to see it lifted up, get wet. It's a different type of feeling than just reading the report after the fact.
We then control it with the ROV. The ROV's trying to manipulate it. So it's 200 ton. It's going to cause a bit of a moment. It's your procedure and everyone's looking at this situation unfold. That's certainly a point when you feel the pressure. Survey come in and they say, we're like a few hundred mil off the target box when you've got a couple of meters to play with. That's when you feel like you've done your job right.
Working together as a team on board the vessel, it's very rewarding for me.
You build a bond, I think, that's a bit quicker than just in a normal job.
It's easy to sort of let yourself be swept up in everything. So you don't realise all the constant sounds going on the vessel. Then when you come back home, step on shore, you notice it's like the kitchen fan that you forget to turn off. Once you do, you realise that silence is golden.